Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of confine. Keep or restrict someone or something within certain limits of space, scope, quantity, or time. For example, he does not confine his message to politics. American pronunciation. Confine. Confine. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Confine. Say. Confine. Confine means keep or restrict within limits. Confine. Confine. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Early guideline efforts confine their scope to preconception counseling, pregnancy, and birth. Now, repeat after me. Early guideline efforts confine their scope to preconception counseling, pregnancy, and birth. The second practice. The furniture in this exhibition is not confined to gallery spaces, however. Now, repeat after me. The furniture in this exhibition is not confined to gallery spaces, however.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.